Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. Here I'll be going for a very important data structure and algorithm concept. What is called cyclomatic complexity, predicate node, and regions for the given graph. Okay, and in 2019 December. Luckily, UGCNet organized 5 questions from same graph. I'll be discussing all 5 questions and corresponding solution here. Uh, okay, so here they mentioned, okay, this is a flow graph F, and for that they posted, 5 questions. Question number one: how many predicate node and what are the names of those predicate nodes? Okay. Question number two: how many region are there in this given flow graph? And question number three: what is the cyclomatic complexity of flow graph F? And question number four: how many nodes in longest independent path? Okay, and you want to count and check it. And question number 5: how many nodes in flow graph? Okay, so for this particular 5 problem statements, and I'm going from ordered or easy to difficult one here. Okay, so here as per my knowledge, this question easily we can do. What is the cyclomatic complexity of given graph F? Okay, the formula we have V of G, that is cyclomatic complexity, which is equal to number of edges in this particular given graph minus number of nodes in the given graph plus 2. E stand for number of edges, N stand for number of node. Now we count number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11 I mentioned. Number of node are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 mentioned plus 2. Okay, 11 minus 9 plus 2 equal to 4. Okay, and so we got the answer as 4. Okay, so if you know this formula, we can easily find out what is the answer for how many number of predicate node, because I'll be explaining how to find out predicate node, what is predicate node easily. But before that, without knowing those concept, we can easily find out number of predicate node, because cyclomatic complexity equal to 4, and cyclomatic complexity other formula is V of G equal to P plus 1, where P stand for number of predicate node. Okay, so here cyclomatic complexity is 4 equal to P plus 1. Now P equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, they are asking what are the nodes they want to mention. They are asking two answer. One is predicate, number of predicate node, that is 3 already know. Now they are asking what are the predicate nodes. What is predicate node? From the given graph, if you taking any node, from that node at least two outgoing edge should be present. Okay, then that node is said to be predicate node. Okay, so now if you are looking 1, okay, for that we travel from 1 to 2 comma 3, and also travel to 11. Okay, so now I mentioned here that is one predicate node. You got it or not? Okay, from node 1, 2 outgoing edges there, at least 2 outgoing edges. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, and another 2, 11. Okay, so now this is one is one of the predicate node. Now if you are coming internally, 2 comma 3 is a single node. From this it going to 6, and also it going to 4 comma 5. So the 2 comma 3 also one of the predicate node. Okay, I mentioned here. And if you are coming to 4 comma 5, it is not. If you are coming to 6, again two outgoing nodes, I mean outgoing edges there, and that is I mean 6 to 7 and 6 to 8. Okay, now 6 also one of the predicate node, and so if you are looking 9, 7, 8 or 10, okay, none of the nodes for which two outgoing edges. So answer is 1 is one of the predicate node, 2 comma 3 is another predicate node, 6 is another predicate node. Okay, so now totally 3, and what are those I mentioned here. Okay, so now question number 1 is solved, question number 3 also solved, and question number 5 is very simple. How many nodes in flow graph? Okay, simply counting, already know number of node equal to 9, answer is 9. Okay, so now question number 5 also solved, and question number 2. Okay, okay, so how many region are there? Okay, so how to check what is region? Usually if you are provided any flow graph, it will be having one outer circle. Actually what is the number of region is nothing but how many number of closed circle as well as I mean outer circle present in the given flow graph. Okay, okay, by default for any flow graph it have one outer circle, okay, that you want to count it. Okay, so now how many closed circle there? Okay, that you want to check it. And very obvious thing here, okay, if you are traveling from 1 going to 2, then going to I mean 4 comma 5, then going to 10, okay, then again going to 1. Okay, this is one closed region. Okay, so I mean like this. Okay, so next one is what I mean 6 from which 7, 9, 8, that is another closed region. Okay, so next one is here this one. Okay, 2 comma 3 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9, and 10, 4 comma 5, or 2 comma 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, 4, 4 comma 5 and 2 comma 3. Okay, that is another closed region. I mean closed region 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, and one I mean outer circle. Okay, so that is 3 plus 4, sorry, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, one outer circle, and we found 3 closed region, inner closed region. So totally 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Okay, now question number 2 also solved. And what else there? How many nodes in longest independent path? Okay, so that you want to visit all the nodes, you want to check it. Okay, so suppose I am starting at 1, 1, 2, 2 comma 3, and again I am going to 6. Again I am either I go here or here. Okay, so 7 and 9, 10. Okay, so again it going to 1. Okay, then it coming to 11. Okay, so that is longest independent path. Okay, totally what is the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many nodes in longest independent path equal to 8? Okay, 8 is the answer. Okay, I hope you got a very clear idea about this problem statement, and all 5 answer for given 5 questions. Okay, thank you for watching.